one, we said right lymphatic duct and thoracic duct are the two main ducts. And so on the right lymphatic duct, you can only see it right up here. It only shows the top of it. It has like this number 6 by it. But remember, it's showing how it drains into where the common carotid meets up with the internal jugular meets up with the subclavian. So right there is the only place where you can see the right thoracic duct or the right lymphatic duct. If I butcher this, right lymphatic duct. Now, the thoracic duct, you can see it all over the place. Like it's really long. So it's, if I was going to mark it, I'd stick it right there in the middle, and I'd be pointing to it and say, identify the indicated structure. And at the tip of this colored pencil, that's where you have the thoracic duct. At the very bottom of it, it swells, and there's a number 19. That's the cisterna chyli. So if I'm pointing down at that swelling and say identify indicated structure, cisterna chyli. If I'm pointing here towards the middle, that's thoracic duct. If I point over here, it's the right lymphatic duct. So then we have 3 names of lymph nodes I picked. There's way many more regions of lymph nodes. We say the lymph nodes are just named by the region they're clustered. So I listed cervical lymph nodes. And remember from cervix anatomy, cervix means neck. So cervical lymph nodes. I did axillary, so under armpit. And then I listed inguinal for the groin area. And these are places where people often know swelling. People will often notice their lymph nodes in their neck are swollen, or maybe when the child, they might notice it in the armpit or the groin. So it's basically the surface anatomy region, lymph nodes. Axillary, armpit, cervical, neck, inguinal, groin. And then spleen, I don't like it on this model, but the spleen is in the left upper quadrant. And so I would ask it on the regular torso model if I ask it, but it's only on the left side. It'll be like brown on any other model. But it's shown right here, but it's up in the left upper quadrant. And if I asked it, it'd probably be on like that model over there, and it's gonna be like brown. So there's not much on this model. There's not much on the models, period, for this. Then we get to here,